All right, today we're going to look over Funnelskit. So this is the sales page, and it'll go through what a Funnelskit is. Let's go into my little website. Okay, so this is where I'm creating my website, emailads.co. This is where you can actually find my link to Funnelskit. And give it a second. All right. Emailads.co, sales funnels gone simple just for you. And then you can click on the start now and you can enter that. Emailads.co, just go. All right, so now let's get into the members area. So here's a Funnelskit. I'm a platinum level member. Yay! All right, here's my dashboard. And when I just opened it. So it's fresh and we're gonna do it together, right? Here's a funnel, create new funnel. Nice. What type of funnel do you want to create? Pick one: sales, lead magnet, membership. And then you've got your, let's go back. Sales funnel. We're gonna look through all of these. So, and then here's lead funnel. And look at all this awesome stuff we get to create. Yeah. All right. And then you have miscellaneous pages, page builder, open, sales page, thank you page, lead page, miscellaneous. Let's go back. I'm gonna go back and show you guys the videos. All right, so you have customers, tracking. Again, I just opened this up today. Videos, tutorials. This is where you're going to see all the instructions on what to do, what you need to do. Dashboard, how to see your customers, your graphic ads, the settings section, using the swipes, video section, linking PayPal, linking Stripe, page builder elements counter, add domain in Funnelskit, create an email template, new creating PayPal keys, mailing system setting a regular campaign, mail system setting an autoresponder campaign, page builder new payment buttons, tutorials, page builder adding videos, new mail system adding an autoresponder, new mailing system creating a campaign, new email system creating a template, new email system creating an autoresponder, page builder overview. I love the details of every little step along the way. Creating a lead funnel from scratch, creating a sales funnel, delivering servers overview, email templates, saved sections page builder, get your funnel links, adding Spark post, adding send grid, adding send pulse, payment buttons, countdown timer, email forms, and it's still going, guys. Hero element, iframe video, image slider, image elements, menu, creating pop-up, adding columns, progress bar, adding rows, text, creating the membership site, customizing the pages, customizing membership site, adding lessons, adding PayPal account, adding SMTP, adding Send13, adding SMTP Go, adding Amazon SES, email funnels, social funnels, survey funnels, podcast funnels, webinar funnels. What is a profitable passive cash flow? Things you need to know, build a squeeze page, split testing, what to promote, traffic and email lists, conclusion, sales funnel charts, sales funnel fundamentals, functioning sales funnel, how to use Facebook sales funnel, right way to build sales funnels, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, 6, and 7. Boom! And that is the videos. Awesome. Promotional items, graphics, and you have swipes. And you have mail system and support, so graphics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, about 66 or 61 graphics. Awesome. So you can use all their awesome already to work graphics. It's kind of like sneak a peek in these. Discover the profitable missing link that will skyrocket your engagement. Nice. All right, so you can go through this later. Mail system. It says add subscribers. So as things come in, you're going to get more data. Okay, let's go back. And this – right now is for $87. $87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. This is amazing. So I'm going to jump in. I'm going to make some funnels this week, and we'll see kind of what happens next week on our global webinar. Again, you guys can go on emailads.co and you can join up here. Click our global webinar weekly. And this is a featured product for this week, Funnelskit. I will see you soon.